In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently apply promo codes on eBay to save some money during your shopping spree. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you're equipped with the knowledge to take advantage of eBay's fantastic promotional offers. Firstly, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and navigate directly to eBay's official deals page, or perhaps a trusted coupon aggregator site. Both these options are a great starting point to find the best deals and discount opportunities tailored for your shopping needs. It's important to ensure that you're using a reputable source, not only for security reasons, but also to make sure the promo codes you find are legitimate and reliable. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to type in eBay promo codes 25. This will help you locate the most up-to-date promotional codes available, which can be a real money saver. Searching by the correct year assists you in avoiding expired or outdated codes, which can often lead to frustration at checkout. After conducting your search, it's crucial to check the validity and terms for each promo code. This means taking a moment to understand any restrictions or specific requirements that might come with the code, such as minimum purchase amounts or particular categories that the discount applies to. The fine print is your friend here, helping you dodge any unexpected surprises when you go to use the code. Once you've identified a code that meets your needs, go ahead and copy the promo code. At this point, you'll be ready to proceed with shopping on eBay. Feel free to leisurely add your desired items to the cart, ensuring that they align with any stipulations tied to the promo code. When you're satisfied with your selection and ready to check out, find the discount code box on the checkout page. Paste the promo code into this box. It's quite straightforward, but make sure you do so accurately to avoid any mistakes that could prevent the code from being recognized. Before you hit that final payment button, verify that the discount has been applied to your total. This step is crucial in confirming that the promo code was successfully activated and that you're actually receiving the discount you anticipated. If the discount hasn't been applied, double check for any mistakes or consider trying an alternative promo code. And that's it! You're now ready to complete your purchase, all while enjoying the satisfaction of having saved some money. By following these steps, you'll make the most of eBay's promo offerings and enhance your overall shopping experience. Happy shopping!